Hello friends, welcome to my channel MSM Tech Solution. Almost every other app is getting dark mode, so why should Instagram be left out? Instagram does offer dark mode, and I will show you how to enable it on Android, iPhone, and web. First we will open the Instagram app on our phone. In the bottom bar of the app, we will tap on our profile icon. Now on our profile page in the top right corner we will tap 3 horizontal lines. As you can see, a menu pop up from the bottom of the Instagram app. In this menu we will tap on Settings. On the setting page we will tap on Theme. Now we are on the Set Theme page where you can choose what theme the Instagram app uses. To make the app use dark theme we will tap on Dark option. And immediately, the Instagram app turned dark. So here are today's video ends. I hope you like it. Like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.